Hey guys, thanks for watching the Speak and See channel. Like and subscribe for some more informational videos. Today I'm going to show you guys how to download a free scanner app. We needed to print the 4506T form for the SBA, and for some reason our scanner was giving us problems. So instead of going out and having to find a place to have it scanned and uploaded or buy a new scanner, we thought, let's see what we can find on our phone. So we found a app here. So I'm going to show you. We go into our Play Store. We use Android, and I'm sure that they have those available for Apple as well. And just typed in scanner app. And we use the Simple Scan free one here. So I'm just going to open it up and show you how simple it is to use. Here's the, it shows, keeps your documents for you. First we had to go in and, fill out our form. We did through the 4506T and filled everything out, and we needed to print it so we could sign it. So we printed it, and I have it over here. So let me show you. I'm gonna hit this little circle on the bottom right, which is a camera, and show you here how to just take a picture of your document that you have. Okay, got a picture of the document. So then it shows you also the margins. We're just going to move them up a little bit so it doesn't cut anything off in our picture. And you hit the little right check mark at the bottom when you're finished. And you can even edit it. There's like an editing tool at the top, and there's different things about your lighting. You can hit the different circles to make it lighter, darker. If you see this, the darkness, it makes it darker when you hit the little circles. But I think we're good right here in the middle. So I'm just going to save it here at the bottom right. Again, hit the little check mark, and you can put your document's name. We're just going to call it document 1. All right, and hit save at the top right. Oh, file already exists, right? We did it before. Document 2 then. Document 2. And hit your check mark. There we go. So if you see at the top here, it says PDF. So we needed ours in a PDF, not a JPEG form. So we're going to click on PDF, and there we go. It turns it right into a PDF form. Oh, let's get rid of the ad here in a second. That's what happens when you have free apps. Okay, there we go. So we got our document uploaded, and it's in PDF form. So now we're going to hit at the top up here. We're going to click original size, because we are going to email it to ourselves, so we can now email it to the SBA. So we'll click on our Gmail, type in the email address here. I'm going to email it to myself, and it's already here. It shows at the bottom, PDF, Doc 2. It's attached already, and you hit the send button. And there we go. It's that simple. So if there's anything that you just don't have a printer, or you don't have a scanner, and you need something uploaded through PDF file, you can go ahead and download a free scanner app, and it's just as simple as that. Is upload it up, and you can edit whatever you need to edit in it to make sure that the lighting looks good, and send it right on over to yourself. So I appreciate you guys watching. If you have any questions, feel free to type in the comments below, and have a blessed day.